Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark III, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right here. Once you find it, you can tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default parameters are, or you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can actually customize it. So let's start off by going over the couple things. So we have people, and you can select who can call you, who can message you. And under calls, you also have this little toggle for repeated callers. So if you select, as an example, none, and you toggle this on, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will completely bypass this option right here and still be able to reach you, which is a nice thing to have in terms of emergencies. Then messages has basically the same options minus the repeated callers, obviously. Then we have what kind of apps can interrupt you, alarms and other interruptions, a schedule which allows you to set up just a simple schedule. You won't have to turn it on and off manually then. It will just turn on and off kind of like an alarm clock would once you set it up. And under advanced we have duration for quick settings, so whenever you tap on it you'll have a couple options, so until turn off for 1 hour or more depending on how many you set, and ask every time, which will bring up this window every time. And there we go. So once you set it all up, you can simply find it, tap on the toggle to turn it on, and there you go. And additionally, if you went with the schedule kind of route, you don't need to turn it on here. All you do need to is set up the schedule, make sure that the schedule itself is toggled on, and from there just wait for the time to approach when it's supposed to turn on. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.